sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Name is Bruce, call sign G4ABX, and at the moment I'm in France. What follows is a short portable activation in our local park, which runs adjacent to the beautiful Vienne river. Quite early in the morning, so it's a bit chilly and a bit dark. And it's not the greatest of technical activations. I discovered later that the RF noise was a local farmer had installed an electric fence, and that's what was messing up the 40-meter band. But I didn't find that out until after the activation. Anyway, I hope you enjoy, and any comments, please let me know. 73s. All loaded up. A 20 kilo bag and my iPro Traveller. And a bag of tools just in case we need some help. So this is the site for the activation. Today by the beautiful Vienne river. It's very quiet. The only thing I can hear are the birds. So, here's the table I've set up at. Sun is coming up, although it's a goodly distance away at the moment. So let's get the camera set up and I'll get the gear set up. Well, one of the first bits of learning is that when you come to a park bench you need to bring a cloth. It's filthy. I can run with some water as well, but never mind, we'll make do with what we've got here. I happen to have an old, not very clean cloth in the Land Rover, but never mind. So, we have Raspberry Pi, we have CAT and audio interface, power supply, power leads, my wonderful key that we'll be using shortly, something to check the resonance of the antenna, very simple antenna device, my tablet, and of course the battery pack. So one moment while I start to plug it all together. So this is a slightly unusual antenna for portable operation. It's a vertical dipole, and it's carryable. It's not probably backpackable, but this is the setup for 40 meters, and the central coil you change. I mean, this is the 40 meter coil. You change that for the particular band that you wish to operate. This is, as say, 40 meters. There is a version that does 40 and 30, but this one just does 40. And in terms of signal to noise ratio, it's a remarkably quiet antenna, and I've had lots of success with this in the past. Just setting it up with the analyzer, not sure you'll be able to see that. Yeah, probably, just. There we go. So that's 7 megs. SWR should be 1:1, and the impedance should be round about between 40 and 50 ohms. So perfect really for this sort of operation. Very quick to deploy, takes about 5 minutes. There are some wonderful locations that you can deploy, and this must be one of the nicest, with the river on the right. Okay, so everything's worked well. There's quite a bit of interference, pulse interference here, that I don't know what's causing that. Learning points: wires are too long. Makes for a very messy installation, as you can see. Horrid wires, need to sort that. Keyboard and tablet have worked very well. The GPS dongle doesn't seem to work. It seems to be connected, but it's not providing me any data, so from a location point of view, no idea what's going on with that. Need to do a bit more finding out and testing. There's a massive CW contest on at the moment, so lots of stations. The antenna has worked extremely well. Best DX is about 600 kilometers, running 10 watts, so quite impressed with that. And as I say, very easy to deploy. I've only been operating on 40 meters, so I probably do need to try a different coil, but I should probably do that. Turn this thing the wrong way. I also need to learn how to use this device a little more effectively. It works well, it's very stable, but it's a bit confusing, so I think more practice, Igor. Battery's been fine. I haven't bothered with the solar pack, that's still sat in the bag. But it doesn't really matter, it's all working well. It'll be interesting to see how long it takes to put all this away. It's around about 12 o'clock now, I think, and I'm going to pack up and go back, make a few notes and try and work out how best to improve. Definitely the wires. This is one of the biggest problems I anticipated with mobile ops, is dealing with all the wires, with portable ops rather than mobile, is dealing with all the wires. So I would say a partial success today. Now that I've got a bit more input, I need to do a bit of rationalisation and try things out again. So this is the first, I hope, of many activations. So until the next one, cheers.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.